Studs on their way to the ring.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Old School Studs!
And we know they are not the IZW Tag Team Champions. They have in fact stolen those belts from the KC Wolves.
Yeah, definitely. Possession 9-10 to the law, however, unrecognized as the IZW Tag Team Champions by everyone. Everyone knows you have to earn the championship. And they have certainly not done that.
This team certainly doesn't, or feels like they did not lose the tag team titles in their fashion. So they want to take back the tag team titles for themselves. They feel like they are the tag team champions, but they are not.
You gotta remember now, they have got this attitude about them, and they call themselves studs. And they have a certain idea of where they actually stand, and where Graham Bell and Luke Langley of the KC Wolves stand. And they feel that they are a more superior team. They feel like the KC Wolves are not at their level. Unfortunately, the reality is the KC Wolves are the IZW Tag Team Champions because they are the best tag team going right now in IZW.
Well, they are a couple of studs. They claim to be a couple of studs. Looks like Randy Price has got something to say. Got the microphone in his hand.
Well, let's hope he's just carrying a microphone for some reason. I don't know.
I like to refer to this team as tag team specialists. They are so decorated as tag team.
Oh, yeah. I mean, together, separately, together, they form a formidable tag team. Multiple tag team champions just together.
Well, you hear the fans chant for the KC Wolves.
Oh, man. Little do you realize you can chant the KC Wolves all damn night, but it's not going to change the fact that they aren't the tag team champions, is it? There's nothing you can do about it. We stand before you right now the same way we will stand at the end of the night, March 21st at Coronation. We stand before you, your IZW Tag Team Champions.
Well, they have the belts, but they are not IZW Tag Team Champions.
Read them and weep, baby. Soak it in.
The crowd definitely letting them know how they feel about it. Just shut them out.
So when you're a tag team champion, like Gary and I, you don't need to shut your mouth, especially when you're standing on a stage holding a microphone. Come Coronation, rest assured, you know that studs don't quit. And the studs are going to win. We will not utter the words, I quit. We're gonna beat down the KC Wolves so bad that you're gonna have to call the Pound to come pick them up. Because they're gonna be squealing like little puppies.
Those are strong words from Randy Price.
Wolf puppies, man. Those are tough, right?
Well, are you guys quitters? Just like the KC Wolves? What, you chant their names for 10 seconds? That's all you got? Hey, if you are quitters, you'll keep chanting their name all night long. Let's see, are you quitters or not? What? Prove me wrong.
Hey, look at this guy. He's a
See, you guys are quitters. You're quitters just like the Wolves. Here's the reality. Here's the truth. You people are pathetic. You're the kind of people that don't go vote in an election and you gripe about everything. You see, because on March 21st at Coronation, Old School Studs are going to be throwing out some old school lessons in an I Quit match. And you people...
These fans are not giving the studs any breaks tonight.
Hey, you don't talk to him that way. Little did you know the hefty trash bag company called and they want their clothes back.
Not making any friends tonight.
Call them the old school Steelers.
I'm going to teach you how to have some class and some respect, and I'm going to ignore that comment. Because you know something, people? Hey, I hope the KC Pups, or whatever they call themselves, are listening wherever they're at. Because at Coronation, the old school studs are going to do what we always do. We're going to take what we want.
Oh, the music of the KC Wolves.
It was bound to happen to Harrison. They want their tag team title belts back, and they want them back in a bad way.
Well, you knew that they weren't going to sit back and listen to the verbal barbs of the old school studs for very long. They are the current IZW Tag Team Champions, with or without the belts. They are the current champions.
Looking mad. Staring a hole right through the suckers, or the studs, I guess.
Cut the music.
The Wolves have a ton of fans here in the Impact Arena.
The support is clear for the Wolves.
That's the pack, Randy. I thought y'all were gonna make this hard. After you ambushed us last week, after you beat us down, after you gave me a spike pile driver, I thought you were gonna make this hard. But it turns out we basically already won. Cause you guys, looks like you've already quit. Cause you quit trying to beat us legitimately. You quit trying to actually take those titles from us in a
Hey, don't you utter the word quit
You
again
already quit,
until it's
Randy.
Coronation and you're the one speaking it. You don't call me a quitter. I'm no damn quitter. I've never said the word
pretty
quitter.
sure you're a
That's
quitter,
in my life.
Randy.
You keep talking, you're gonna make me pull up my knee pad.
Come on, Randy.
Walk up there and kick your ass. I'm not a quitter.
Quitter!
Call me a quitter again.
Quitter! Quitter! Quitter!
The KC Wolves are trying to taunt the studs into having a match right now. Trying to really get underneath the skin of Randy Price.
I think the studs are too old, too veteran, and too wise to fall for this. But maybe not. Is the KC Wolves showing the old
I
dogs some new
understand,
tricks?
Randy. Don't let him get up in your head.
Told you.
You see the way I see it? You KC Labradors. You guys come out here running your mouth, trying to get up under our skin. Well, hey, we've already got.
Fans are chanting quitters at the old school studs. Really getting underneath the skin of Randy Price.
I think the pack is unanimous. I think they think you're going to quit at Coronation.
We're not going to quit. Hey, we've already got the match at Coronation. We've already got the tag team title shot in the not quit match. You guys claim to be champs. You guys claim to be for all these fans. You claim to be for the pack. Well, how about tonight? You prove it. How about tonight? KC Wolves, old school studs, you fight us tonight to win our IZW Tag Team titles.
Oh, they're throwing matches around number one.
The challenge is laid out, man.
So what is it? Are you quitters? Or are you real men?
You know, Gary, for two guys who do so much taking what they want, that's a pretty generous offer from you two old school duds.
We're not duds, dude. We're not duds.
What you guys fail to realize is that your night was only gonna end one way. And that was with us beating your asses and taking back our tag team belts.
The fans want to see the KC Wolves with their title belt.
If you want to actually have a match and we pin you when we're done with it, that's fine with us. Consider the hunt on.
Oh, no! It looks like we're going to have a match.
Challenge has been accepted.
Unbelievable. We're getting adrenaline started off with a bang tonight. Are you going to sanction this match, number one?